Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the fox box. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna draw her eyes first. So it's just gonna be two big eyes. So we can actually start out just drawing like a little bracket like this, and then from here we can just go out. So it's not necessarily round. It's almost like a square with rounded corners. So we're just gonna go out. Okay. And then from there we can draw in the eyeball inside. So we'll just draw, this is gonna be easy. And then I'm gonna draw in two highlights. And then from there we're gonna draw, just come out with this same line here, a little lash. Well, it's gonna be one big lash. So just come out and curve it back in, and then for this one I will shade it in to make it black. And you know what, I will shade this in because it looks a little bit weird. The little circle inside. So at least now it looks like an eye, right? And then from there we're gonna draw her nose. So just right in between here, just draw a little line and then just come down a little bit. Okay, very simple. And then for her mouth, it's just gonna be a nice little smile. And then now for her face, just start out here and just draw like three or four, you know, like little furry things on the side. Okay, so we're gonna draw 1, 2, 3, and then maybe 4. Now we're gonna connect this to draw her face. So we're gonna come down a little bit. It's not that sharp. And then we're gonna come back up and just meet up somewhere. Okay, that's a very cute face, huh? Okay, so from here, now let's draw her hair, which is gonna be pretty cool. Right here, we'll just draw one. We'll start from the bottom. We'll draw another strand here, and it's gonna be different colors. So draw one big one here, and then now all the way back here, draw one big curve connecting that. So this is gonna be one big strand right here, and then we're gonna come back. And then right around here, you can put a little dot, because I'm gonna draw another strand and just kind of have it meet back up there. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna draw one curve, one strand. Now we're gonna come down, just draw another strand. And then for here, now we're gonna come all the way down. This looks like it's part of an ear, okay? And then we're gonna, from her mouth, like this line here, right around here, just gonna continue it, just gonna curve that in. Okay, and then now that we have this side, we draw the other side. So we're gonna come out, and then we're gonna go back in. Okay, just somewhere around there. So now that we have this, now we're gonna draw the more strands over here. So this one's gonna be easier, just gonna come down. Another big strand. And then here we'll just kind of connect everything so that, you know, everything looks in place. Okay, and then we're gonna have to draw in a little bit of strands here because this is gonna be a different color. And we'll see that better once I color it in, but right here, just kind of give it a little bit first strands. Okay, and then from there, let's see, I think this one in here kind of separates the hair a little bit. All right, so let's move on to her body. So this one is gonna be very cartoony, so we're just gonna go very small little neck. And then from here, I'm gonna give her, just gonna draw more fur coming off. Okay, so just kind of just rotate back and forth. Okay, and then come down to the waist. All right, so it's a lot smaller. Just connect these. A couple of fur here in the middle. And then we're gonna come down and we're just gonna give okay, that's the rest of her body. And then for her arm, for this one, it's just gonna be hidden behind, so we're just gonna draw a line, just kind of curve like this. It's gonna be behind her back. And then on this one, we're gonna have it come out. Okay, it's come out. Just give a couple of little strands here. And now we can draw her paw, so we'll just be very cartoony. So 1, 2, 3. Just close it off. So now for her legs, we're just gonna come down. So it's just gonna be very cartoony. And then from the middle here, we're just gonna come straight down as well. And again, we gotta give it a little bit of a fur strand going on there. And then here, come down, slight curve in, and then go back out. And then here, we're just gonna come in, just gonna flare out a little bit. Same thing, let's see a few strands. Now for a foot, so this one's easy, so we're just gonna come down, that's gonna be a heel. Come down a little bit, and then now we're just gonna draw 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then on the other one as well, we're gonna come down to the heel. Come down on this side as well, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then now let's see, the tail is gonna be easy, so we're just gonna go out. And we're gonna draw one big curve like this going in, and this one's gonna be the tail end. So I'm gonna curve it back out. Okay, and then just have it swoop back into the body. Doesn't have to be exact, but just go back and then continue this line. I'll just draw a little bit over here. Okay, and then now for some details, let's see, let's draw a couple of these loose strands again, because it's gonna be different colors. And that's it for this cute looking fox box. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.